Hey guys, this is Matt, and if you are a creator on YouTube, you must have come across this problem where you see a lot of YouTube videos with out of the world production value in terms of both audio and video, and you think to yourself that you can never achieve it. Even doing so, it would be expensive, and that's why I'm here to help you to increase your production value on a budget of Rs.500. And I'm presenting you a new series on the channel that is a video gears on a certain amount of budget, and this video will be on a budget of 500 as I said, and the next one will be 1000, and the next one, you get it right. So with that being said, let's get started. The first product is a mobile holder for tripod and a 1/4" horseshoe mount adapter. They sell for Rs.400 combined. You can use these for various purposes, like you can mount the phone onto your tripod facing your subject and having your main camera be a second view or something, or you can mount the phone on top of your camera if your camera lacks a flip out screen, or you can use it as intervalometer. The purpose of this is limitless, and this will be a great asset in your video gear bag. Next one is the good old RGB LED strip. If you follow my channel, you know how much I love this. You pretty much see this LED strip pop up in every video of mine. That shows how good of a product it is for the price of 400. With this, you can be creative with your shots by adding some crazy RGB strips, and if you want a fast lens with an f-stop of 1.8 or 2.8 even, then those out of focus elements will look
very nice.
Last but not least, a pop filter. Whether you own a Yeti, Snowball or a $1000 microphone, without a pop filter it's gonna sound bad with all those harsh sounds, and that's where pop filter comes in. This helps to reduce those harsh sounds like P's and S while recording audio. Trust me, it should be the first purchase you should do after buying a microphone. Let's do a quick test here. Believe me, pop filters are important, and don't skip out on these. That's it guys, hope you like it, and do those regular drills like subscribing, sharing and liking this video. And this is Matt signing off. Stay awesome.